In this video, I will show you step by step how to create a Spotify account. So make sure to follow along and watch this full video to learn how to sign up to Spotify, add your details, choose your login method, and get your account ready so you can start listening to music and podcasts. If this video helps, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple Spotify and tech tutorials. Now, to get started with this, what you want to do is open up a new internet browser. And if you come across to the official website, which is open.spotify.com, this is going to take you across to the Spotify web player. Now from here, you want to come up to the top right hand corner and click on to sign up. And once you've done that, as you can see, there's a couple of ways you can sign up. You can either start from scratch with an email address, or you can sign up with a Google or Apple account. So in this example, I'm going to sign up with an email address. So you want to enter that into the box here. And once you've done that, click next underneath. What you then want to do is create a password. Just note, your password must contain at least one letter, one number or special character, and it must be at least 10 characters. What you then want to do is add some further information. So you want to enter your name, and this is going to be the name that appears on your profile, as well as your date of birth and your gender. And on the next screen is about the terms and conditions, so you can choose whether or not you would like to prefer to receive marketing messages from Spotify. If you don't want to receive any marketing messages, make sure to tick this box here, and also tick this box to share your registration data with Spotify's content providers for marketing purposes. So once that's done, click onto the sign up button. And what it's going to do is take you directly to Spotify. So you are now good to go. You can start using Spotify straight away. And that is how to create Spotify account. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.